This one wake me oh. One man don't turn to animal to go kidnap person pikin. In fact, na only Nigerian film now they hear this kind. I never see am with my koro eye. But this one they happen live. It they happen inside Edo State. They say this guy na so in carry himself. Be a human thief. I be na which kind thief him be. Come gather enter person house. Say he won't go thief. Then these people innocent children. Now dear God come catch him. Now there they catch this man as he and say he no get any hope again to escape. Now there he can't use his mouth confess say now this thing now he won't go do. See now people picking he won't come there come kidnap. My papa beg make now follow me watch.
Jesus, I never knew you will answer me this way, Baba. I never knew. You can't answer me this way. I'm giving glory to my God Almighty. Thank God I didn't leave my children inside. I didn't leave my children inside. It was my husband that was inside. My husband noticed something. He now called me. The vigilante already called the God.
He said the son are coming for carry.
He said the son are coming. Who sent you?
But some men know it's an
animal. Hey! The church to animal. Hey! Hey! Jesus! Oh, quiet today. It's too quiet.
Let's not release the fire.
And that's why I can't get it at this gate. They should be supporting this. Everybody have their various things. Jesus! Jesus! The God I serve has exposed you today. The God I serve has exposed you today. Baba, you are worthy. This is the apartment he entered. My fellow human beings. The Lord is grateful. He turned to animal to enter inside the compound. Compound was padlocked. They were padlocked.
Hey, on a see what they happen. In fact, make we get very prayerful. Because we don't know the kind of things where they happen. How person go turn to animal? I beg, make I even ask. Which kind of animal this person turn to? Now elephant or been a rat? Because I need to ask. Because how person want to enter? Which animal want to carry human being? A whole human being to carry and come outside. But I beg, this one will be saying, speaking of tongues, come begin fly. I'm not sure saying that the next option be this. And I suppose carry this man, go police station, go ask some questions, say, how this thing they happen? Because me, I don't notice and say, this thing, if it just be normal thief. And I know say thief, if he jump fence. So this one be say, this woman, they shall say, the man turned to something, pass the gate. Say, because of say, wait, the gates, they close. In fact, she locked and these people inside the house. So she no come down, this man, they enter. Auntie, I beg, calm down. If it be say, this guy native, the guy fly this place, enter this place. But I know people, hey, I give naturally. Oh, and I know say that these people, they are juju strong. So I'm not surprised say this one they even happen because normally it even happen. They never supposed they surprised. Because normally if they even catch winch, now so the matter they be. Person will be human be fit on to bed, they will go catch and last. So this one a regular thing where they even always happen inside those things. But I beg, if I say then these kidnappers, they get so many strategy. How you go change say you won't go thief person picking? Picking will be say you now if you go give person belly bomb by yourself, you know reason and that way. Person innocent picking, now you can't decide say you won't go carry. I beg why people be like this. But in fact, if you now watch this video well, and I go notice say this lady as she dey talk, it be like say this door. It dey always dey open on a normal day. The door dey always dey open. So as these people enter, maybe they get access to this place. Because she dey talk and say the streets dey lonely. So all this one as now notice them, why be say now no dey lock the gate? In fact, on herself they at fault because if now reason now on herself they cause all this kind of mistake. But I beg make them no go even do jungle justice on top of this person. Make them just carry and bundle and go police station. Ask them the necessary question. Make him confess. Plus the babala always send them, be whoever send them. Make the bundle of them carry them go police station. Because now the kind of things where they happen, and parents make now they careful. Watch on our children well. My people, I beg, I hear this one. As make her bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. CBN governor don't come outside. Can't talk about the claims of people where be said that they talk say the Nigerian bank now say it dey in distress. e get one time when news dey trend say as e be like this, so e be like say banks wey dey inside Nigeria, e be like say they don dey shake. And as people hear this one, and everybody begin rush go their bank, go dey withdraw their money. Say they wan collect their money because they no wan hear stories. Say this bank don go bankrupt, abi something don happen. Now there this CBN governor wey im name na Godwin Emefiele don come outside come talk say all this one wey dey trend, say everything na fake news. Say all this one, nothing like that dey even shele. My people abeg, make na follow me watch.
Let me say that all those social media messages going around are all fake and indeed are fraudulent, and the CBN is currently doing everything possible to trail those perpetrators who intend on creating problem to create banking system instability. We will, by God's grace, unravel who they are, and we will announce them, bring them to the public if we find them. But I want to say that, and I repeat, that the strategic health of the Nigerian banking industry remains very, very strong. For instance, at today's meeting, data was provided to Monetary Policy Committee members, and I will say we review the financial soundness indicators of the Nigerian banking industry.
I hope say this man now don't clear on a doubt, because he don't talk and now say nothing like that they even happen. Say even surprised say now social media now they can't use they spread all this kind of fake news. In which them will even be back, they don't even come outside, can't talk anything, say that they be something they happen to the bank. How be say social media now can't be the bankers, so be say they can't begin spreading this news. And this one I say in fact people where they involved in spreading of this news, say as it be like this. If they catch anybody, in fact, you go face the panel. Say as it be the two way now do it don't vex them. Now they want to talk. Those of now when I know now go write anything about this whole bank being in this state, now better put that post down. Because as it be like this, in don't talk come out to anybody where they catch, they go use now do scapegoat. They go bring now out and they go even use. Because this one now, they don't talk, say, no be them talk them. And see as everything be the bank health, they okay. Say in fact, everything they very strong. Say their financial status, they very, very okay. And since when this thing don't even, they always monitor them. If you now watch the video where now say they mention all the calculations. Say that they always monitor all these kind of things. So know how it be say the country bank will come they shake. They know about them. So make people calm down. People who don't stop to the bank, people who don't come out their money. Make they go back, go they put their money there, because nothing like this they happen. But I hope say this one Mr. Godwin talk. I hope say this one where he talk now true. Because now our Nigerian people now, they feel they hide something. Later now we'll come here say they don't change the bank name to another thing. I hope say this one where come outside talk now true. And I feel say this one self now another means to end social media. And I know say Twitter still there on standby, they never see that one do. Now when we say people now can't carry they spread fake news again for other social media like Facebook and Instagram. This one now they will use them as another excuse to come close them down. In fact, now we they spoil our own thing. And my own any decision when I won't make when I know say the country go better, make na do. But if you now know say this banks they in distress, make na talk and now make people know say yeah, so this thing don't they get kata make they go come their money. We no one can hear story that touches. Later now come the talk say na mistake, I mean na this one. Now I make people now don't come outside they talk and you don't come outside use your mouth talk proof say nothing like that they happen. My people I hear this news as make I bring and come make na say this na ear hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them for the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.